Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to the basement. My name is Paul and today we are working on the core using a single dumbbell. 4 different exercises, 3 times through. So let's not waste any time. Let's get started. Lunge and twist. Yes, these exercises are a little bit different, not your typical core exercises. You guys ready to go? Lunge forward, twist, same leg, lunge backward, and twist in the other direction. Ready? Forward towards your leg, backward, away from that leg. Basically, you're twisting over your knee every single time. Back and twist. Let's do a couple more. Forward, twist, back, twist. All right, switch legs. Remember, twisting towards your knee. So forward, towards the knee, backward towards the knee that's sitting in front. Boom. Forward, twist, back, twist. Hold as deep of a lunge as you can. Twist, twist. Control that weight. Forward, twist. One more, back, twist. That's exercise number 1. Let's take a little breather, mainly from holding a dumbbell. We're gonna do some halos, 2 times around. Drop the weight down, 2 times on the way back. Once again, little different exercises today. So we're gonna go through everything 3 times. I gotta make sure I don't hit the ceiling here. And ready for some halos? Let's go. 1, 2, down and switch directions. 1, full circles. 2, keep that core stable. Ready? Switch directions. 1, come on. 2, and down and switch. 1, 2, and down and pick it up. Let's do a couple more. 1, 2, down. Stability here, come on. 1, 2, down. Let's do 2 more, why not, right? Come on, 1, full circle, 2, down, last one. 1, 2, full circle and down. Put that dumbbell down, take a little breather. Not too long, we wanna move through this pretty quickly. All right, Gladiator Deadlift, you guys all know what that's about. You pick up the weight, you put it down on the other side, being nice and stable. You have to, yes, squat down, pick that weight up. Nice diagonal movement across the body. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, up, down, reach across, down, reach across, and down, and keep going, down. Let's go 6 more. Ready? 1, down, 2, down, 4 more, 3, down, 4, and down, 2 more, 1 on each side, up, down, up, and down. Leave it right there. All right. Last exercise before we start and get to the top once again. I want you to kneel down. And I want you, when you're kneeling down, I want you to stay upright. I want you to sit back. I want you to be as upright as possible. You should be here, not here. Here, nice and stable with the core, all right? Now take your dumbbell. Hold it with both hands. Gonna bring it overhead. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Over. Drop it down, hold stable with that core, up and down, and relax for a second. Ready? Over your head, hold stable, don't lean back, fight it, and down. Up, hold it stable, don't lean back, up and down. Hold it. This is the last one. Down and put the dumbbell down. Beautiful, beautiful. So that was run number 1. We got 2 more rounds. Let's get going. Before we do, don't forget, workouts Mondays, Thursdays, for over 6 years right now. Not skipping upload. I'm here for you. I like to be consistent with my workout and my video uploads. So why don't you be consistent with your workouts? You don't have to do videos. Don't forget to join, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys every Monday and every Thursday. All right, lunge and twist. Remember, you're lunging, I should say, not running. You're lunging towards the knee that's in front, all right? I'm starting off with my right leg. I'm gonna step forward a little bit. And ready? 3, 2, 1. And twist as much as you can. And then step back. And this knee's in front, so you twist towards that knee. Boom. Forward, twist. Back, twist. Forward, twist. Back, twist. Let's do one more. Forward, twist. Hold that lunge. Back, twist. All right, ready to switch legs? Same thing, other leg. Forward, twist towards that knee. Back, twist towards that forward knee. Forward, beautiful. Twist. Back, and twist. Hold it, whoops, hold it, there we go. Hold it and twist. Means I'm getting tired, losing balance a little bit, and twist. Let's do one more. Forward, twist all the way through. Back, hold it and twist. All right, going back to the halos. Same thing, don't want to take too long of a break. Grab that dumbbell. Make sure you got room overhead. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 2 circles. 1, 2, down, reverse directions. 1, 2, down. Keep going. 1, 2. Working that full core today. 1, stay stable. 2, down. Let's go. 1, 2, full circle. Down, up, circle around your head. Once you knock yourself in the head, you know you're tired. So be careful. Let's do 3 more. Ready? 1. Here's 2. And here's 3. And put the dumbbell down. All right. Back to our single-sided deadlift. You call them whatever you want to call them. We're not wasting too much time. It's like a few more seconds. Catch our breaths. All right, you're gonna bend down, pick that dumbbell up. Put it on the other side. Pick it up diagonally and put it down on this side. Stand up, squat down, pick it up, put it down. Very functional movements today, right? Down, up, down. Runny nose means I'm working hard. That's what that means. Down. And up, down. Stand up nice, there you go. And up and down. Ready, it's 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one. Pick up and put down. All right, few seconds break. We're getting on the ground on those knees. Remember, nice and upright on those. I want you to let that core to fight the resistance of the dumbbell when it's coming down in front of you. A big tendency to lean back to kind of leverage the weight, right? And keep you balanced. That's when you have to engage your core to stay nice and upright. You have to fight that lean with that core. If you do it properly, you will definitely feel those muscles working. Remember, don't lean back. You're nice and upright right now. Just fight this position throughout the entire movement. All right, grab that dumbbell. Overhead. Bring it down. Up. Down on the other side. Take a little breather. Down, fight it. Up. Take a little breather, ready? Up. Down. Up. And breathe. Let's do a couple more. Up. Down. Breathe. Up. And down. Let's do one more. Up. Bring it down in front of you slowly. Stop. Up. And down. All right, 2 rounds down, 1 round left. We are almost done. Hope you guys are having a good time. I'm finally warmed up. I'm ready to rock and roll. Lunge and twist coming up next, straight to the top. Remember, you're lunging and twisting. You're twisting towards the leg that's in front, always, all right? Try staying stable even though we're tired. I might lose my balance too, it's okay. Stability here, ready? 3, 2, 1. Lunge towards the leg, twist, back, lunge back, twist towards your leg that's in front. Boom, forward, perfect. Back, perfect. Hold that balance. Forward, hold it, back, hold it. Beautiful. Couple more. And back, and hold it. Last one, and back, and hold it. All right, switching legs for the last and final time. Ready? Forward, twist. Back. My first one is always measured because I don't know if I'm gonna step into the wall behind me. And twist. And twist. One movement. Twist, back, twist. Forward, twist, back, twist. One more. Twist, and twist. And now we can put the weight down. Yes, core and definitely legs. I felt my quads on that one. Feeling good. Stability. Working, working, working. All right. These are all for the final time. So grab that dumbbell. Last set of halos. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Around your head twice. 1, 2. Bring it down. Switch directions. 1, 2. Down and switch. Come on. 1, 2. And switch. 1. Beautiful. 2. The old switcheroony. Come on. 1. Around the head one more time. Down. Keep going. Big halo. Big halo. Big loop. Down. And up. And up. And down. Let's do 3 more. Ready? 1. Keep it up. 2. Last 1. 3. 1 more. Come on, all the way around. There we go. Put the weight down. We're doing our deadlift. 10-second break or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Pick up. Put down. And up. Up diagonally. Straight down. There you go. Up diagonally. Straight down. Keep going. Almost done, guys. Almost done. And down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Single dumbbell. That's all we're using today. Last time we did a very conventional core workout. You know, sit-ups, crunches, leg raises. Today is a bit more unconventional version. All right, let's do a couple more. Up, down. Let's do 1 more. Up, and put the weight down. And since we're almost on the way down, we're going down for the last and final set. Remember, nice and upright. Fight that lever. Dumbbell up, forward, hold, up. Relax for half a second. Ready? Up, fight it, fight it, fight it. Drop it down slowly. Hold it right here. Don't let the torso move. And down. Up. Fight it. Down. Up. Here we go. Let's do 1 more. Ready? Up and down. And that's it. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. Welcome to the basement if you're new here. Welcome, my name is Paul. Mondays and Thursday workouts, like clockwork, always. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you guys had a great workout. I know I did. And I'll see you guys during the next workout.